In this video, we're going to take you on a tour of this central Tucson home located near Grant and Swan. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home built in 1980, and it's 2,001 square feet. So let's go have a look. Again, 4 beds, 2 baths, and they are asking $385,000 for this home. This is probably a good investment property. This was used as a rental in the past, but it does have a large square footage and a large floor plan. So as soon as we walk in here, immediately to the right, we're gonna have the first guest bedroom here, right in the front of the building. And sorry for the echo because this is vacant with lots of tile throughout. Like I said, nice closet there. This was a rental income home, so it could be a good buy and hold opportunity for someone. Half bathroom right here in the front. And you know, kind of a lot of basic features in this home. Not a lot of updates. Does have a pretty good high ceiling here. And that's a natural wood fireplace there right in the middle, the kind of the main living area, which wraps around. And then this is more of like a, you know, like a formal dining room area here. And then the kitchen and stuff's out that way, and we'll head back there in a second. And as we head over here, we have like a hot water heater closet there. And this is just like a little atrium, like yard, and it's obviously it's been sitting for a while. It has some vegetation growing, but that gate opens up to the side yard, and we'll wrap around there. Off to the left here is going to be our primary bedroom, and again, they did this tile throughout, which is really nice, especially if you're going to rent this place out. Does have his and hers closets, and I'm going to poke my head in there because those do adjoin. Oh no, they don't. They're two separate closets, his and hers closets. And this is going to be walking into the bathroom here attached to the primary room. Does have dual sinks, cabinetry. Has another walk-in closet right off the bathroom there, which is kind of cool. And take a look at the vanity and everything there. And if you go in here, you have a walk-in shower and toilet. And this one's kind of interesting. It's kind of a step down into the shower. But it's a good sized shower, all tiled. And there, again, one of the best features about this property is that it is all tiled. Some of the stuff is dated, like this. They have it's like an intercom system here. So again, built in 1980. So some of the stuff is from 1980. And walking down the hallway here, we have a couple of closets. This is some storage. And this is going to be the third bedroom rather. So we had the first guest bedroom up front, and then the primary. And then this will be the second guest bedroom. Again, you can see by the fixtures and stuff that it's got some of the original work here. Right across from that, you have the third. Well, this is the second full bath. The first bath was up front, but it's got a nice shower tub and fixtures there. Single sink. That's a tile counter on there. And then straight down the hall, you'll have the third guest bedroom. There's a regular closet there, and then that opens up to the backyard. You do have some nice mountain views out back. So let's wrap back around here. That's the primary down there. And then back into that's the dining room, and then the fireplace and living room up front there. And then we go this way, and this is going to be our kitchen area, kind of a kitchen and like family room. They do have some shelving and stuff here. Lots of cabinets and storage in this place. And the cabinets are these are like real wood cabinets. They're like plywood. They're not particle board. So something to be said for the older construction. But you got a lot of cabinetry up there. I think some people might open this up. But again, if you're using it for income property, it could be good. One thing to note on this property, the HOA is a little high. It's $132 per month for the HOA on this property. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know what you think of that. They do have an additional fireplace in here, also wood burning. And then this sliding glass door off the kitchen here heads out to the yard. So we're gonna open that. So this home is listed as a single family residence. It's got a nice porch here. This is the east side of the building, and it's like in the afternoon here. So one thing that's important when buying a home in Tucson is the shade. So this does offer a whole bunch of shade here, and it goes all the way up to the front there, which is a good distance. So lots of privacy here. That is the next, that's the neighbor's house there. But these are all like block construction, so it is very sturdy construction, even though it is older. And it does have a, kind of a decent sized yard, but it's not huge. Nice big tree there. And I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but we do have definitely have some street noise, being that this property is located, that's, I guess, the downside of this one is it is located right off of a busy street, Swan Road, which is a major artery here in Tucson. And then this wraps all the way around the house on the other side. And then I'm gonna stick my head right here. This is that little atrium that we visited from the interior. Definitely got some water and stuff. And the wood siding here definitely has some wear and tear, some definite water damage and things. So I'm gonna poke my head over the wall real quick, and you can see you got Swan Road right here. So that is right there, and this wall is it's a 5-foot wall. So in fact, and I'm not gonna wrap my head around here, I'm just gonna go through the atrium and back through the front. Now, if you have any questions on this home or any other homes here in Tucson, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel to see all the future videos. And this cuts back in right here. There was the primary bedroom, the hall, the living area. My contact information is in the description, so be sure to reach out. Thanks for watching. And go check out another tour here in Tucson, okay?